On average, each person in the EU produces 32 kilograms of plastic waste per year. Almost half of all plastic products are used only once before they are disposed of shortly after use. This applies above all to plastic bottles. Their disposal is not only harmful to the environment and a waste of resources, it is also a pity because with every discarded bottle, a design piece is lost from which potentially something new could be created. A plastic bottle consists of different polymer plastics, usually HDPE for the screw cap and PET for the bottle itself. We use these resources to create a high-quality, durable, and personalized design product by reusing the bottle as a design element in a new way and upcycling the screw cap into formable digital material. The screw caps are first washed, shredded, and then processed into a recycled 3D print filament that can be printed on a 3D printer to any desired shape. But what do we make out of it now? The Tappodario is inspired by a chandelier and uses 3D printing technology to create a customizable light object. All technical, functional, and design aspects are brought together in a sophisticated form. For this purpose, we have integrated the geometry of the bottle screw caps into a platonic solid. The dodecahedron we use, as the name suggests, consists of 12 surfaces and enables a compact radial arrangement of the bottles as well as an effective illumination of the light object. This then radiates evenly outwards from the center of the Tappodario. A wide variety of plastic bottles can be screwed in via the integrated standard screw cap, allowing for a diverse chandelier design and light ambiance, which can be individually determined. In addition, an E14 thread for the lamp socket is integrated in the model, so that the lamp simply needs to be screwed in. The 3D printing does not require any support material, and only the material from 22 screw caps is needed to produce a Tappodario. At 55 grams, the printed model is very light on the one hand, and on the other hand is also extremely stable thanks to the statically balanced geometry of the platonic solid. With our dodecahedron, you can create your own chandelier quickly and easily with 11 plastic bottles of your favorite drink. Of course, you can easily transfer this principle to other shapes and further individualize the Tappodario by means of printing material and color. Quite simply, just plug and play. Try it out for yourself. Download the 3D file free of charge on our website. Print your own Tappodario and send us a photo of your chandelier. We are looking forward to seeing your creations and wish you a lot of fun while building.